Okay, let me introduce the ingredients available for the lemon cake. So we got the plain flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, corn oil, fresh lemon juice, and about 90 grams of eggs. So for the egg, you beat up the eggs and then you measure out 90 grams. And after that, we got some ingredients inside the lemon cake, which is the raisin and the lemon and orange peel. And we're going to bake 2 loaves of small cakes over here. I'm using the aluminum foil, so you can just pour and bake. But if let's say you are using your own cake tin, make sure you put a layer of oil at the base and at the side of the tin before you pour in the batter. So the step is very easy for this. You just need to put the flour into one bowl, sieve it. So you got the plain flour, put it in, baking powder, okay, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda. So all the 3 items, dry ingredient in, just sieve it. Okay, and put it aside. Now, we're going to handle the wet ingredient, so it will be the rest of the things that you see on the table. So I'm going to put in the 90 grams of the egg, okay, sugar. Okay, you can either use the whisk if you have one. If not, you just need to use a fork or a spoon. Just stir it. Okay. Feel it that the sugar is more or less well combined with the egg. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the lemon juice, followed by the corn oil. Stir. You're going to stir it until they are well combined. Okay, that's. Now the next is to pour in the dry ingredient in. Okay, together with the I'm preparing the raisin and the mixed fruit peel. Everything go in. And now you're going to fold them together. Okay? Okay, do not overfold as long as you don't see any flour. Okay, you should stop. That's it. That is your cake batter. And now I'm going to transfer into 2 foil tray. Make it as an equal portion as possible so that there is no guessing baking time. Okay, slightly not on the table. That's it. We are ready to bake now. Okay, now the cake is out. We need to check whether is it cooked or not. If this was cooked about half an hour at 175 degrees Celsius. So now just get a satay stick, pop it in the center, bring it out. Make sure that you don't see any moist batter, and when you do that, you should be having some cake crumb or totally you don't feel anything. Okay, that's it. There's no cake batter, so this is already cooked. So we're going to leave it on the table to let it slightly cool down before we remove the cake out from the tray and cut it.